So now one of the requirements is for you to put 3, 2, 1, ready, set, go on the screen. And you might be thinking to yourself, yeah, I know how to do that because I did draw something and I wrote my name on a little project that we had earlier. And it's going to probably take a long time to get that done. But yeah, I don't want you to take a long time to do that. If you come over here, you can type in turtle Python, take you to the documentation, click on the first link, scroll down a little bit, and where is it? Control F, right here, right. So I click on that, and you could see here if I have turtle.write, the first argument is the string that you want to print onto the screen. We don't need this second argument. The third argument is a line, and we want to put center. And then the last argument is the font, which specifies the type of font and the size of the font. So if you look down here, this home text is going to be written, and it's going to be align centered, and it's just going to use the default font, right? So let me go ahead and just grab this code here, and I could show you it in action. And maybe after the race is finished, I can do pan.write, and I could say I am the winner. Of course, I'm just guessing Pan's gonna win. Well, I can force Pan to win by just lowering the rand range on Dan, just giving Pan a heads up there. And then here we need to rewrite the double quotes because these are Microsoft Word double quotes. They're not ASCII double quotes, so I'm going to do that. Those green ones are ASCII double quotes, the ones that Python can read. And then I'm going to put center here. And then on the font, I'm going to redo the double quotes and type in Arial. And then I'll redo the double quotes for normal. And then my font size, I'm going to make it bigger, so I'll do 23. And then we can go ahead and write that down. Bam, I'm the winner, right? Okay, but the requirements for you to do 3, 2, 1, right? So how does that happen? Well, you're going to use this write functionality. And so like right up here in the beginning, I guess we can use Dan to do this. And we'll say dan.write 1. Okay, but then if I run this, it's gonna happen instantly. You see that? We got 1, and then maybe I can say dan.write 2 right below it, and dan.write 3. There's no pause, right? So we want to pause. We want to say 1, 2, 3, or I'm sorry, 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna import time. And time is another class where you can like say time.sleep, and you could sleep the number of seconds you want to sleep. So maybe I could sleep for 1 second. And so I'm going to repeat this here to say 2. And you could see, whoa. So did you see that? You got a little pause there. 3, 2, right? I mean, of course, this isn't complete, but that's the strategy that you want to use to solve this problem is you want to use the time.sleep to pause your program whenever you want it to pause. And you can write the 3, 2, 1, ready, set, go fairly easily.